Good morning. Today, I want to share with you 5 healthy breakfast options that can naturally balance your hormones. First up, we have chia seed pudding. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants, it's a great way to support hormone production. Next, try a delicious avocado toast. Avocados are rich in healthy fats that help regulate hormone levels. Moving on, we have a classic, oatmeal. It's high in fiber and contains complex carbs that stabilize blood sugar, keeping your hormones in check. Another option is a spinach and mushroom omelette. Spinach is loaded with iron and folate, essential for hormone balance, while mushrooms contain vitamin D, which supports hormone production. Lastly, don't forget about smoothies. Blend together berries, spinach, almond milk, and a scoop of protein powder for a hormone-balancing powerhouse. So there you have it, 5 breakfast options to naturally balance your hormones. Start your day right and take care of your body. Cheers to a healthier you.